In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF in CutePDF. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open the PDF you want to compress, then you want to go to a file top left, and you want to click on reduce file size. Now, I'm going to just save this one as a normal PDF just so I can show you what the original size and then the one that I'm going to compress is going to be. So I'm going to do save as over here, and I'm actually going to save this one as C1 over here, which is going to be compressed one, so this one's not going to have any compression. And now I'm going to go to file, reduce file size, and you can change the resolution over here. You can leave it like it is or change it, or of course lower it. I'm going to actually put this at, for example, 50. I'm going to go 50 over here, and I'm going to leave it at 300 over here, and I'm going to click OK. Now you can play around with this. This is going to slightly lower the resolution of your images, but of course it's still going to be quite good. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to save this as C1 small, and then I'm going to save it like that. And if I now open up my files, you'll be able to see the differences over here. So let me show you. The default document here, the C1 which I created, was 67.7 or 69.7 kilobytes, and then this one is less than half of this, so 32.7, which is amazing. And if I open it up for you to actually see it, the quality really isn't much lower. It looks as crisp as ever. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.